Here's part 2 thunderstorm. I'm so sorry about that crack pipe thing. It's for shock value. And yeah, I am high right now on pills and that. But I don't do it that often. But I was in the middle of smoking and I saw the thunder and lightning and I was like, oh man, I gotta start filming and putting that pipe away. But it's a crack infested area, pot infested, and a dope infested area. I've done drugs of all different types before. I've done weed, I've done alcohol, I've done cocaine, crack cocaine. I've done, but I had a relapse in November. I was clean 6 years. I've tried methadone. I've tried Adderall. I never did ecstasy. I don't like the trippy drugs. I like the soul-numbing drugs to self-medicate. Now that 5-minute high just wore off. Now I'm going to fucking crash. And I'm sharing real secrets in this video. I really didn't want to, and I made videos about it before, and I was like too fucking embarrassed to put it online because people were going to laugh. I couldn't believe I took a pipe out. That was just a res. A friend gave it to me for a gift. I hope we catch... Oh, what is that over there? A tree or a cloud? I can't see. That's an ominous looking cloud, whatever it is. Yep, it's a cloud. And it's moving to the southeast, and we have more coming in from the northwest. I might go to the front of the building and film, because that's my west window. Or go on the roof and smoke weed and film, but I don't want to get thrown off the roof or locked up there. Like that guy Jake did in his building, the stalker. Margaret, Tanya, and Jake won't leave me the hell alone. They're so annoying. Case of the farts. Just remember what I did with the pipe is for shock value. Ooh. You know, it's fun being high in a thunderstorm because you get trippy and loopy and everything's spinning round and round. I was in the psych ward last night, believe it or not, because I popped down 50 pills. I wasn't trying to kill myself, but going to jail and being homeless and being hooked on drugs, hanging out with the wrong people, I went ballistic. And I do want to make this video about thunderstorms and my addiction problem. That cloud looks very... What are we going to get battered by a tornado now? I hope I sleep tonight after what I just put online. I lied. No one threw a pipe out the window. That was me trying to cover a secret. Well, my life's an open book, and you know what I do. I kind of live in a ghetto area, so I know how to be tough. And I carry pepper spray, and Brandon, the Gonzalez family, was following me on a bike. And then I went to a restaurant and said, this guy is stalking me. And he comes in, and then he locks me out, tries to jam the finger in the door. So I'm going to carry my pepper spray, and now I lost my pocketbook. And the TV and the lamp broke. And now you know why I'm in a bad fucking mood. I think the lightning might have done something to the wire. Well, come on, lightning, come on, be severe. I need my hit video. Took a big hit out of the pipe. I think it's time to hit it. I was sparking up the pipe, so it's now to spark up the lightning. Don't worry, there's more coming. I really regret taking that pipe out. Now I'm crashing down from the high. It's over already? Oh man. It can't be over. It's only about to begin. Right at the moment. I tell my truth in my videos. My life's an open book. I know I used to hide things in the beginning, but now I tell my life story like a diary. Well, I got out of the hospital today, and I hated it. I woke up there, I passed out. The reason why I'm self-medicating is because I went to jail, I got beat up, I was homeless, and when the cops, the EMS took me, I kicked them, I bit them, I try to break their nose. I try to knock their teeth out because nobody wants to mess with Elisa Carter because she's #1.